All right, so right now I'm going to go over the homework in detail from last night. And so the first one, this is a 2x2. This is a 2x2, which means our answer is going to be a 2x2. Okay, and so what you need to do from there, again, if you remember, the inside numbers tell you that you can do the problem, the outside numbers tell you the dimensions of your answer. So this first one right here, this is going to be the first row, first column. So first row, 2, 2. First column, -4, -6. So you're going to do 2 times -4 plus 2 times -6 and end up with -20. Okay. Next, we can do, again, first row, second column. So 2, 2, 0, -6. So 2 times 0, 2 times -6 gives you -12. Then we've got here, this is the second row, first column. So second row, first column. So -1 times -4 plus 2 times -6 should give me -8. And then second row, second column. So -1 times 0 and 2 times -6, which gives you -12. Okay, that's your answer for the first one. The second one, you have to look at the dimensions. Again, so it's 3 rows, 1 column. And this is 4 rows, 1 column. The inside numbers don't match, so you can't do this problem, so the answer is undefined. Okay. Next, we've got 2 rows by 3 columns. And we have 3 rows by 2 columns. So what you want to do from there is, okay, the inside numbers are the same, great. The outside numbers are 2 and 2, so that's going to be the size of our answer. So here's how we do it. First one, this is first row, first column. So -3 times -6, -6 times -2, 6 times -3. When you do all of that, you should end up with 12. Next, this is, again, first row, but second column, so first row, second column, so -3 times 5, -6 times 3, and 6 times -1, and you should end up with -39. Next, we've got, this is the second row, first column, so second row, first column, so -1 times -6, 1 times -2, -2 times 3, and you end up with 10. And then the final one, -1 times 5, 1 times 3, -2 times -1, you should end up with 0. So that is the first 3 problems from the homework. Okay. Next, we've got, again, this one, so we can do the analysis first, so 2x2. And this is a 2x3. So the inside numbers are the same. That's great. That means we can do the problem. The outside numbers tell us the size. So this is going to be a 2 rows by 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here's how you do it. First one. So this is the first row, first column. First row, first column. So 1 times 1 plus 5 times 5, so you get 26. First row, second column, right? So first row, second column, 1 times 1, 5 times 1, so you end up with 6. And then the last one, first row, third column, so 1 times 1, 5 times 3 should give you 16. Okay. Next, we're just going to go and do the same thing, but for the second row. So 0 times 1, -2 times 5 should give you -10. And then 0 times 1, -2 times 1 is -2. And then 0 times 1 plus -2 times 3 should give you -6. And there's your answer for number 4. Okay. Number 5, again, analysis. So this is 1 row, 2 columns. 1 row, 2 columns. This is 2x2. So the inside numbers match. And the outside numbers tell us the size. This is going to be a 1 row, 2 column. Okay, 1 row, 2 column. Bam, bam. So to figure out this one, it's the first row times the first column. So -3 and -1. So -3 times 4 and 1 times 0. Add those up, and you should get -12. And then this one, this is the first row again, and second column. So -3 times -6, and plus 1 times 2, which is 20. Okay. And the last one, we have 1 row, 4 columns, and we have 2 rows, 3 columns. These numbers don't match, so no, you can't do it, so the answer's undefined. You don't have any homework tonight. Tomorrow is going to be another recorded session, but for the recorded session, I highly suggest that you have your calculator so you can practice how to do it, and then you can email me any questions. All right, thank you.